GeoSnappers, welcome back to the channel. Are you familiar with the display field in ArcGIS Pro? The display field is a layer property that uses a designated field in the feature layer for identification purposes. It's important for editing, selections, pop-ups, and publishing. In this video, I'm going to show you why you might want to change the display field and how you can automate that process using Python. Let's go to ArcGIS Pro. So here I have a map with 154 individual layers. Each layer is using the shape length field for its display field. This is a problem because if I try to publish a web map or a web layer, I see an error that states shape length cannot be used as the display field. To change the display field, I can simply right-click on a layer, drop down to the Properties tab, navigate to the Display tab, and then change the display to something else, like the FID field. But I need to do this for every layer on my map, and I don't want to go through this process 153 more times. So I'm going to use a small Python script to automate it. If I click on the View tab above the top ribbon, I can click on Python Window to open the Python window below my map. I'll add my script, click Enter, and done. If I check any of my layers, the display field has been updated to the FID field. And that's how you can update the display field for every layer on your map in ArcGIS Pro using Python. Check out the description of this video for a link to a blog if you're interested in learning more, or if you want to get a copy of the script to play around with. Let us know in the comments if you end up using this in one of your projects, and don't forget to subscribe for more GeoSnaps. Thanks for watching.